Don't be fearful about your present situation. It will never your destination. It will never decide your destination. So your destination will change. Now time is against you. Someday will come that time always help you. People comes to your life and they help you. They inspire you. And first time, the first journey is too tough for a beginner. As I grow up and I understand that people never helps when you fall in a problem. When you fall in a situation where there is no way, Allah will help you and Allah open a door for you. Believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and don't be fearful about your future. Your future will defined by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not by mankind. If all the mankind against you, no problem. Don't care about them. Just believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and do your works so smartly.